am very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey these letters to the President, the Government, people of the Republic of Peru. Warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Your Excellency, Ambassador, welcome to Fiji. Congratulations. So nice.